anya nkịtị asa kpọwadoro m aka ya kwe m n'eti ya la ahụ m ka elu ote fio m maka emi n'ime m uwe ka elu ha abụọ abụrụ n'ala gbụ ya le m slipas mgbanụkwụ lesi abịa lepụ m okpu yipụ ke mụ na ego bịa ote bịa jahere m John Thomas ebe ọsọ jahere ka ọsọ o meghere kwughee ụlọ ihe m hụrụ maka Chineke gị hụ ya banyere anyị na-awụ onye isi ya hụ ya ọsọ ihe m hụrụ ọnụ m agụda akọgbulie ụjọ abịa m because I
don't have that time. My body is hot.
Please, I'm trying to settle this issue. You know, it's a very delicate one.
Just tell him to follow me and finish what he started. I was on my own, no. I was on my own when he came to turn me on.
Please, I understand. You know, your matter is not
my
a matter
battery
for
is
one
charged.
But I will settle it.
But he said you can handle it.
What do you say to me, Mo? When I'm wondering, I may have him or me. We have to be robber. And when we have a bilingual, we go to one more day. Why time my bank boy?
Chiefimo, someone you should be called. Go on your hair. Go on your hair. On your committee.
Let's go.